Hello everyone, welcome back at TechET. Just a few weeks ago, we were reporting on how the iPhone 14 might be the first smartphone to offer satellite communication. But as it turns out, it won't, because Huawei just got there first with the Huawei Mate 50 and Mate 50 Pro. Those two newly announced smartphones both allow for text to be sent via China's global Beidou satellite network. It's a feature designed for emergencies, so you can get in touch with emergency services or loved ones when mobile networks are down. So it's a niche feature and hopefully you will never need to use it, but it could also be a life-saving feature. Huawei's implementation of this technology sounds very limited, with just text messages supported, so you can make calls and seemingly you can only send text, not receive them using this system. But still, it's the first to offer this and that counts for something. But it will have some serious competition though. Apple's technology might allow for calls as well, not to mention the fact that the iPhone 14 and its siblings will actually be available in the US, while the Huawei Mate 50 line won't be. The Mate 50 Pro has a 6.74-inch OLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate, a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, 8GB of RAM, up to 256GB of storage, water resistance and 4700 mAh battery with 66W charging. It also has a triple lens camera with a 50MP main sensor, a 13MP ultra wide and a 64MP telephoto, offering up to 200x digital zoom. Interestingly, the main lens also has an adjustable aperture which can range from 1.4 to 4.0. Adjustable apertures are a very rare sight on phones and never that variable. The standard Huawei Mate 50 is a step down in some ways. It has the same chipset, RAM amount and main and ultra-wide cameras, but the telephoto snapper is 12MP and the phone has a 6.7-inch 90Hz display and a smaller 4460 mAh battery with 66W charging. As I said before, these phones won't be landing in the US, but it's possible they will be sold in the UK and Australia. However, neither of the model offers 5G. And that's all we have on the topic. Thank you for watching this video and I will see you on the next one.